Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show or enable time in seconds in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the small window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. Again, type for regedit. The moment you have typed it, please click on OK to continue. So if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running the registry editor. So from here, please proceed at the first row. Where you can see this one. All you need to do is you need to look for HKey underscore current underscore user. And the moment you have selected it, double tap to expand it and locate for software. And once you have selected the software, double tap again and proceed with the Microsoft, sorry, double tapped. And from here, you need to scroll down and locate with the K named Windows. So double tap once again. And from here, please locate with current version. Double tapped. And under the current version, you need to locate for Explorer. Okay, and from the Explorer, you need to double tap once again and select on Advanced. Again, we have just been into HKey underscore current underscore user, then go with the software, then we navigate to the Microsoft, then we select on the Windows, then when we proceed to the current version, we proceed to the Explorer and here with the Advanced. Okay, you can also copy and paste it copy and paste this path link at the description box below and you can paste it here at the address bar. Okay, in that way you will be navigated to this location easily. So from here, you need to proceed at the center screen and please do a right click here, go with new and go with the word 32-bit value. So from that, we need to rename that into show seconds in system clock. Again, type for show seconds in system clock and make sure that you don't put any space on between of the letters or words and make sure that you have typed a value name clearly or correctly. Once you're done, click on enter and it will be created and we need to enable that by double tapping. Okay, double tap to it and from here in this small window, please set the value data into 1 and click on OK. Once you have set it, eventually navigate to the taskbar, go with your time, and there you have just successfully show up the time in seconds or enabled it here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close all of the paths here that we have just opened or access to. Now close the registry editor as well and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.